Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop in before you start watching the video and let you know that I actually filmed this a month ago. I kind of pre-filmed some videos because I have a lot of finals coming up. So this video just kind of got like pushed back to when I was like gonna post it, and I'm just now getting around to posting it, and a lot has changed since I filmed it because I filmed it a month ago. Whenever I filmed this, everything going on right now was not happening. Everything was basically fine whenever I filmed this, like at least here in the US everything was pretty much fine. And so in the video I talk about how I'm like going out to eat and going and getting Starbucks, and I'm just like carelessly using Lysol wipes and stuff like that. And yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know that a lot has changed since I filmed this video. So I just wanted to pop on here and let you guys know that I did film it a while ago. It's kind of crazy when you think about how much can change in such a short amount of time, because I mean, yeah, it was a month ago that I filmed this, but that's really not that long. Yeah, just wanted to like pop in and let you guys know that. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I feel like I really did get a lot done. I cleaned a lot, and also my room has gotten messy since then, so if you want to see another one, I hope you guys are all doing well and you know, relaxing if you're staying in, and if you guys are working, I hope you guys are staying safe. Okay, my battery keeps dying and cutting me off, but just please enjoy the video and remember that this was filmed a month ago. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I look kind of grungy right now, but I had to wake up super early this morning. I am going to be doing kind of like a clean and organized, getting my life together vlog. I absolutely love doing these videos, and I feel like you guys typically like watching them because I get a lot of requests to do them, and I feel like whenever I post them, they perform well on my channel, I guess. So I just thought I would do one of those today because I need to get my life together. I have been super busy these last couple weeks, and I feel like everything is just out of control. My room is a mess. I filmed a really big haul on my channel recently. From filming that, I had all these clothes in the video, and I got them like all in my closets, filmed the video, and I basically just threw them all on my floor, and I haven't had a chance to hang them up. So I have like a massive pile of clothes on my floor, just like all over the place, clothes everywhere. And on my desk, I just have like papers everywhere. From like doing my taxes and stuff, and just like mail. And not only that, but like cleanliness wise, it's also kind of messy because I haven't like dusted or like vacuumed in a while. I need like a good like deep clean of my room as well, so we're gonna do that. So I need to like actually clean my room, like a good surface clean. I want to like deep clean. I also need to clean my car out. It's like, I think it might be like kind of nicer today. It's just so messy. I just have like, I have like tons of winter wear in my car, like scarves and gloves and hats, trash, and just stuff everywhere in my car. Like my car is literally so messy. I feel like my car could also use like a good like vacuum and like dusting. I don't know. My closet is super messy. I just have like a million things I need to do as far as cleaning. In this video, I'm probably just going to be focusing on actually cleaning and getting my life together. Whereas I feel like in other videos, I was more organizing and decluttering. This video is all about literally just getting my life together because I feel like everything is just messy. So we're just gonna be cleaning. I've got a big coffee. I actually went to sleep at 2 a.m. last night, woke up at 7. So I've got my Starbucks and I'm ready to go. So I've just been planning out my day, doing some emails, homework, that sort of thing. Somehow a lot of time has passed and I feel like I've done nothing. Now I'm going to actually get into the cleaning. I need to film this Instagram story sort of thing. I'm actually going to be taking over Loving Tan's Instagram story, which is like super cool because Loving Tan has been one of my favorite brands for like literally ever. It's truly the only self tanner that I use. It's my favorite out of like every single brand, but I'm gonna be taking over their Instagram story, which is like super cool. I'm just really excited about that. I'm gonna film all the clips for their Instagram story tonight. My point in telling you that is that I was gonna like spend the whole day cleaning and stay up late editing a video and stuff tonight, but I'm only gonna spend half the day cleaning because about halfway through the day I'm just going to shower my fake tan off, just like get ready and film this Instagram story. We film the other half of it tomorrow, so it's probably gonna be filmed on 2 different days. I just need to get started on this video and getting everything cleaned up because I literally cannot stand this mess anymore. So I'm gonna show you the before, and I'm warning you now to not judge because I'm telling you that my room is really messy. This is like 2 weeks of a mess that has just built up, and that's why I'm filming this, so you guys can just see a really good before and after because it is bad. But this is all of the clothes that has just built up on my floor from videos and stuff like that. It's all the hangers. So there's tons of clothes that I need to hang up, shopping bags, got just like random like packages and stuff that I showed in the haul, just like more clothes on my bed, another textbook. Vanity's a mess. I've just got like makeup brushes and stuff everywhere. I feel like I'm gonna have to censor this because I've got like mail and personal information, but there's tons of papers over here. Right now I'm going to, I think I'm gonna make my bed and then just put all of this clothes on my bed and then just start hanging it, folding it, and putting it away. I'm just trying to get everything picked up off my floor so it like looks clean, and then we'll go back later and actually vacuum and dust and deep clean. And I'd also like to say that I've been craving sushi and I literally have like no one to go with. And I missed out on going to sushi with my sister and my dad. My dad had to take the day off work because he had like a medical procedure done this morning. He never ever ever takes the day off work, like ever. And my sister got back from classes and they went and got sushi, so I am literally missing out on sushi to be productive and get all this stuff done because I've got like a million videos to film and edit, homework to do, cleaning to do. So I just like to say that I'm literally missing out on sushi. Going out to eat. They went like downtown and stuff. So I'm missing out on a super fun day. So all the clothes are cleared off my floor. I feel like I can finally walk now. Bed is made, but I just have random things still. My room is pretty picked up for the most part. So now I'm gonna work on specific areas of my room and I'm kind of starting to run out of time. I need to work a little faster. So I'm gonna focus on my desk now because I've just got like tons of papers. I really don't wanna do it. I've been like procrastinating this. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, now it's time to dust, and I'm excited to do this because it's been a while and I feel like it's gonna be super satisfying. Probably start with my desk because I think it's the dustiest. Hey guys, so I was FaceTiming my friend, so if you saw me like on my phone while I was cleaning, that's why. I basically, my vanity has tons of eyelash glue on it, like, cause I always do my eyelashes. I was just taking this wipe and scrubbing off all the glue, so now it's like super clean. Okay, so I've dusted all the surfaces of my room, so everything is like dusted. Still need to vacuum, but I just realized that I need to shower and get ready because I need to leave to go downtown and film my Instagram story and my video. So I'll probably finish doing this tomorrow or maybe when I get home. So it's Saturday, it's 4 p.m. and I'm finally starting to be like productive cleaning wise. I spent the whole morning finishing up the Instagram story that I was filming last night. I didn't get it all done, so I like had to go back and like film some of it this morning. Now I'm finally getting to be productive, so I'll just kind of talk about that stuff later. I'm here with my dad.
Happy Saturday, everyone.
We're in the Starbucks drive-thru line, and yeah, I'm getting a venti iced vanilla latte.
So we're working around the house today, getting some things done, and all of a sudden it's like, wow, I need a cup of coffee. So we jump in the car, head down to the local Starbucks, and here we are getting a cup of coffee. So happy Saturday, everyone.
That was just, I don't think I
If
could
you're
say
like
it any
running
better.
out of gas today, run down and grab yourself a coffee.
Yes, that was just so good. I can't say it any better, especially because now it's almost my turn. So I filmed a little bit in the car, but I don't know if any of the clips turned out. But today is Saturday, and I'm gonna try and finish up all of my cleaning. Vacuum in the background. I need to vacuum, clean my car, hopefully clean up my closet, but that's a really big project, so that honestly might be a separate thing. I might include it in this video, I might not. That could be a whole thing, like a whole entire closet clean out. So I might do that, like I said, in a separate video. I'm just going to vacuum because last time you guys saw me, I got everything in my room dusted. So now I want to like vacuum and finish deep cleaning, and then I'll move on to other things like my car. So my screen is super dirty, as well as my keyboard. I feel like there's just like makeup stains and stuff. I'm using a damp sunglass. I cannot think of what it's called. Sunglass cloth, and I just like got it a little bit damp, and I'm using that to clean this. Okay, so now that my room is super clean, my desk is really clean, my vanity's really clean, my floor is really clean, I don't have clothes that I have to step around. I feel like all aspects of my room are really clean. It's not necessarily like decluttered, like I didn't go through all my drawers and like declutter. I just watched my Getting My Life Together for the new year. I just did that a couple months ago, so I don't really feel like it's super necessary. I feel like everything is fairly organized, so I don't really feel the need to actually like declutter or super organize anything. So I would say everything in my room is pretty clean. So I think now I'm going to clean my car because I actually spend a lot of time in my car, and my car is ridiculously messy. Like, we'll see how bad it is. I'm not sure how bad it actually is. I don't know if I have enough time today to deep clean, so we might just surface level clean and deep clean another day because I'm running out of lighting in order to film the video I need to film today. So I'm in my car. It's pretty bad. I feel like it could use a good vacuum. Yeah, I just have like, this is a heated blanket, but I have like a heated blanket, scarf, like a beanie back here, I'm pretty sure. And as far as like the trash, I don't even want to show you guys because it's just embarrassing. I even have like a little trash can that I keep in my car, and I still just have stuff everywhere. This is what I mean. They say that I should vacuum. That's really gross. But I mostly just want to get all those blankets and stuff out of my car, and don't judge me, but I have like some random water bottles in here. I try and use like hydro flasks and stuff most of the time, but I do have water bottles in here from just like sometimes that I'm running really late or whatever, and I just throw them in the back of my car. So I need to get all of those out. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Now I'm going to clean out this little dish, this little console thing. I just have like tons of sunglasses and cords and stuff. Ew, it's so dusty. I should really probably deep clean my car. Okay, well, I've come to the conclusion that my car needs a pretty good deep clean, like dust, wiping things down, vacuuming it. I have quite a few things I need to get done today, like homework, filming, editing. So I think I might just do that next weekend or maybe even tomorrow, but just not today. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. I'm pretty satisfied with the amount of cleaning I got done today. So it's another day. I'm just popping in on this vlog to finally finish up the cleaning and organizing and getting my life together for this video. It's kind of been a little bit of a process. I didn't do it all in one day. There's just one more thing I need to do, and that is vacuuming and deep cleaning my car. I feel like everything will be clean and my life will feel more put together and organized, I guess. I do really need to clean out my closet, but that is gonna be a whole separate video. There's just so much to do in my closet. It is a huge mess, so it'll probably be coming in a couple weeks. But for this video, I feel like everything is really clean. Like I vacuumed, I dusted, I deep cleaned. My car was really messy, but now we're gonna deep clean it because it is picked up, but it needs to be deep cleaned. So I'm about to clean out my car, and I mean like deep clean it. I want to show you what it looks like, but it's kind of gross, so beware. So you can see here, there's just a bunch of dirty stuff on my floor. The driver's side is probably worse. All that stuff. Yeah. This is just kind of disgusting. Even the top of my dash is just dusty. Dusting, vacuuming, just wiping down the surfaces, just like I would in my room, really. I just hardly ever do it with my car. And I feel like especially after the winter where there's just all that salt and gross stuff on the ground, it just gets in my car. So I feel like after the winter is a really good time to do this. It's been in here forever. Okay guys, I'm in my garage now, but my car is so clean. I'm literally so glad I took the time to do this, and I'm sorry if it grossed you out because my heart was really dirty, and there was like a chocolate that had been in the back for a really long time. It's like stuck down, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that like residue out. I don't know what that is. I didn't even know that was back there because I never sit in the back of my car, so somebody else put that back there. So that is the video. I just finished cleaning my car. I am just so happy I took the time to do it. It was so messy and dirty and just disgusting, and now it's just so clean and organized. I definitely recommend you guys taking the time to do that. That is everything I'm going to be doing for this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Make sure to thumbs up if you did and you'd like to see more cleaning vlogs on my channel. I just really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely do more because I feel like I'm always needing to clean and get my life together. I want to do a closet clean out soon, so definitely stay tuned for that because my closet is a mess. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @lingrace.26, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.